Good morning everyone. In this video I am going to explain how to calculate valency of an elements in a shortcut way. How to find valency. Short trick. Let us see how to find. Valence electrons is equals to outermost electrons. So now what is valency? Valency is nothing but combining capacity of an element is a valency, right? See, the trick is valence electrons in an atom 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4, then valency is equals to valence electrons, that is 1 2 3 4. For example, in outermost shell, if 1 2 3 4 electrons are available, then valency is equals to valence electrons. If there are 5 6 7 8 electrons in their outermost shell, then valency become 8 minus valence electrons. For example, if valence electrons are 5 in the outermost shell, then valency of an element is equals to 8 minus 5, then we get 3. So if there are 6 electrons, then valence is equals to 8 minus 6, then we have a valency 2, like that. So 3 2 1 0. This is the trick to find valency. See, let us observe the some examples, right? Look at here atomic number, element, and electronic configuration, then valency. First element, atomic number 1, that is hydrogen. Configuration of hydrogen is 1, so 1, the valence is 1. Number 2, helium. Configuration 2, then valency is 2. Here helium has some exception, so the valency become 0, because helium has only one shell that is completely filled with 2 electrons. That is why the valency is 0 of this element. It has some exceptions, okay? And atomic number 3, that is lithium. Electronic configuration is 2 comma 1. So 2 are inner shell electrons, so 1 is the outer shell electron. So if outer shell electron 1, then valency is equals to valence electrons. So the valency of lithium is again 1. Next, atomic number 4. So element is beryllium, right? Configuration is 2 comma 2. So outermost electrons 2, then valency 2. Atomic number 5, that is boron, and electronic configuration is 2 comma 3. Valence electrons are 3, so valency become 3. Next, atomic number 6, that is carbon. Configuration is 2 comma 4. Valence electrons 4, then valency is 4. Now 7th element is nitrogen. Configuration is 2 comma 5, then valency, here valence electrons are 5. Then what is the shortcut? Valence electrons equal to 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 8, then valence is equal to 8 minus valence electrons. 8 minus, how many valence electrons here? 5. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5, that is equals to 3. So the valency of nitrogen is 3. Next, atomic number 8, that is oxygen. Electronic configuration is 2 comma 6. Outer shell electrons are 6. Here we should subtract from 8, that is 8 minus 6 equals to 2, right? Again, ninth one is fluorine. configuration is 2 comma 7, outer shell electrons 7, so we should subtract from 8, that is 8 minus 7 is equals to 1 is the valency of fluorine. Then 10th one is neon, configuration is 2 comma 8, valence electrons 8, so 8 minus 8 we get 0. That is why the neon has 0 valency, because completely filled the second shell with 8 electrons, right? Before that, to find valency you should know how to write the configuration of elements, then only you can easily understand this. Okay children, right? And let us see the sodium, 11th atom sodium, configuration is 2 comma 8 comma 1. See, sodium has 3 shells, first shell, second shell, third shell. First 2 shells completely filled and third shell have only 1 electron, so the configuration is 1. Next magnesium 2 is the valency. So next phosphorus, that is the 15th one, configuration is 2 comma 8 comma 5. In the third shell of phosphorus contains only 5 electrons, then we should subtract from 8 again, minus 5, that is equals to 3. Say sir, no, right? So in this way we can easily find the valency of elements, right? Thank you children, I hope you understand. If you have any queries, then comment in your comment box.